Hey everyone, it's me Payal and thank you so much for watching me. Today I'm going to share with you 3 amazing technique of acrylic pouring, but make sure that you watch my previous video because I mentioned all the basic detail in that video. So first of all, add the prepared paints in the cup and stirring with the white. Alternate paint colors in the different amount. Colors added to the cup do not have to be in a particular order. After adding all the paints, insert a stitch stick into a paint and sweep it from one side of the cup to other side, once in each direction. This will help to mix paint slightly. Starting at one corner and slowly pour the paint from one end to the other until the canvas is covered. In my previous video, I already mentioned about how to make a pouring medium, how to create a paint for a pouring, and how to create beautiful cell on a canvas. If you want to know about the basic knowledge of a pouring acrylic, then must check that video first. I'm going to put that link in the description box so you can easily go and check it out. And then I'm using a lighter to create a beautiful cell on my canvas. A puddle pour involves pouring paint colors on a top of other. Alternate the colors one at a time, allowing the colors to spread out across the surface. Add the colors until the canvas covered properly with the paint. And then I am going to use this lighter to create some cell on my canvas. Pour each cup of prepared paint across the canvas. Pour white paint 1 inch from the edge horizontally across the top of the canvas. Place a wet paper towel over the top of the canvas. Slowly pull the wet paper towel across the canvas in the one direction. The same thing I am doing on opposite side. I am adding a white paint on the other side and just swipe the wet paper like this. Then I am using a lighter to create a beautiful cell on my canvas. So in this way my 3 canvas are ready. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't it already. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.